Hey guys, if you like this video, consider subscribing, then hitting the bell icon right next to it in order to get notified when I upload videos in the future. Until then, enjoy. Do you use Windows 8 or 10 and wish you can pin more items to your jump list? Here's an easy how-to for you all. First, go to your Start menu and type in Run. Next, you're going to type in the word REGEDIT, then enter. If you get a user account control message, just hit yes. Then the registry editor will pop up. Now, as you can see on the screen, you're going to click the arrows right next to the folders in this correct order. Once you get to Explorer, click on the Advanced folder. Then a bunch of files will pop up on the right. Now we're going to create a new entry for this list. So right-click, New, and D-word 32-bit value. And then you're going to type in the following text, capitalization included. Now we're going to right-click on it and select Modify. Then on base we're going to select decimal, and in the value data area we're just going to put a high number, so in this instance I just put 30. And then hit OK. And now we can exit out of the editor. So now we can just pin some more items that we want on our quick access here. And now we're going to right click on our folder icon and all those items should appear. Ergo, no limit to how many things you can pin. And there you have it, another way to increase your productivity.